Hello, and welcome once again to Just Tech Solution. It's Julius once again here. I hope our previous video have been of help to you guys. In today's video, I have 20 amazing keyboard shortcuts I'm going to take you guys through, which is going to make your work faster, nice, and lovely. Let's get straight into the video. Imagine you're typing a project. I guess you're wondering how to make your project faster. You've typed something and I guess you want to make a copy of what you type, like what I have highlighted. Press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard to make a copy of what you've highlighted. So you want to paste what you just copied. Press Ctrl V on your keyboard. So if you watch my screen, you realize what I copied is being pasted. You realize with a Ctrl C command, the text you copied doesn't move or doesn't leave there, but pressing on Ctrl X, giving you the cut command. With a Ctrl X, it cuts, meaning it removes the text in which you have pressed Ctrl X on, so it leaves there, unlike a Ctrl C. Imagine you are typing and you mistakenly delete a whole line or a whole page of something you've typed by pressing Ctrl Z. That's the undo command. It brings what you've deleted back. Ctrl Y redo what you've undo already. So imagine you delete and you undo and you redo, meaning it goes back to a deleted something. Press Windows plus semicolon. It opens an emoji pop-up menu. You are surprised, I guess. And with this, you can make changes or you can make fun of your text. Add a lot of emojis to your text here and there, having fun with it. Isn't this great? Ctrl P brings the print pop-up menu, which allows you to print whatever you've done. In our next video, I'll take you through how to print or how to connect your machine to a printer and make a print out of files you've typed or a project you've worked on. Press Ctrl A, which enables you to highlight everything you've typed on a page or the whole thing you've typed. It highlights everything, and using your Ctrl C makes a copy of the whole thing you've highlighted. On your next page, you press Ctrl V, it pastes the whole thing you've highlighted. So you need not to go through stress again to type the whole thing. Ctrl A highlights everything, Ctrl V paste the whole thing you've highlighted. Windows P on your keyboard allows you to select where or how you want your project or your projector to be projected, how you want to do your projection, whether you want extended, whether you want PC only, however you want it. Windows P allows you to select whatever you want. Let's press Windows E on our keyboard. You realize after you press Windows E, it opens your file explorer for you. You don't have to go through stress, go locate my PC, double click. No, Windows E on your keyboard opens File Explorer for you. Press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard. It opens the task menu for you. It can enable you to stop whatever is slowing your machine down. Press Alt and Tab key on your keyboard. You realize it enables you to switch between open programs on your screen. Imagine you want to select items or folders on your laptop. Press Ctrl whilst holding it. Use your mouse cursor to select whatever you want to select, one after the other. Press Shift plus Select. Realize Shift plus Select allows you to select multiple things in a row. It can select like 3 or 4 at the same time, unlike Ctrl plus Select. Press Windows R, which opens the Run box, where it enables you to make a quick search of something or a program on your machine. You have a file or a folder and you want to rename it. You don't need to right click, go to rename, just press F2 on your keyboard, which enables you to rename whatever folder or file you want to make a change of its name. Working on File Explorer or working in File Explorer, imagine you want to change your location, your current location, to a different one. Press F4 on your keyboard, which enables you to make a change of the location in which you are to a different location. Let's take this as an example, like I'm doing. Let's take that one as an example. Press Windows plus print screen on your keyboard. It makes a screenshot of what you are doing or what you want. When you open your File Explorer and move to Pictures, you realize the screenshots you saved are saved in the screenshot folder, in which you can preview at any time you want. Press Del or Delete on your keyboard. Take note, with this, what you delete is moved straight into your recycle bin, meaning it can be restored. But with the Shift and Delete shortcuts, whatever you delete is permanently deleted. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something new today. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you've not subscribed, and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Like I always say, practice makes a man perfect. So don't forget to practice each and every time. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye.